Birds of a feather, we should stick together. I know I said I'd never. Birds of a feather. Let's begin with the introduction. Here's the first table, and for now, you'll only have the D major, composed of the D, the F sharp, and the A, and the bass note of D. And you're gonna play this chord like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, and twice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Or you can play the melody with the following notes. So the D, A, D, C sharp, A, and C sharp. And with the bass note, I want you to stay. And here you will start the first verse. So here's the table with 3 new chords. The B minor composed of the D, the F sharp, and the B, and the bass note of B. Then the E minor composed of the E, the G, and the B, and the bass note of E. And eventually, the A major composed of the C sharp, the E, and the A, and the bass note of A. And you'll be able to keep the same method, so either play in the chords, I want you to stay till I'm in the grave, till I rot away, dead and buried, till I'm in the casket you carry. Na, 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 na. And you would keep playing the same way. But you could also play those bass notes with the melody that you learned earlier for the introduction, and I will show you that with the next lyric. If you go, I'm going too, 'cause it was always you. And if I'm turning blue, please don't save me. Nothing left to lose without my baby. And you reach the chorus, which you can play either by pressing these chords. Birds of a feather, we should stick together. I know I said I'd never think I wasn't better alone. Can't change the weather, might not be forever, but if it's forever, it's even better. Or you can play the melody. Here's the corresponding table again. Birds of a feather, we should stick together. I know I said I'd never think I wasn't better alone. Can't change the weather, might not be forever, but if it's forever, it's even better. And you will continue to play this table throughout the whole song, so you will just need to choose between the method, either pressing the chords or playing the melody, and feel free to even use them both. Okay, so I will let you try this. Good luck to you, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.